Have you ever had a column full of messy, inconsistent date formats? It looks confusing and makes calculations and sorting a total mess. Don't worry, today I'll show you 2 easy ways to standardize all your dates in one go. Method 1. Use Excel's built-in text to columns feature. Select the cells with mixed date formats. Go to the Data tab. Click Text to Columns. In the wizard. Step 1. Select Delimited and click Next. Step 2. Just click Next. Step 3. Choose the Date option. Pick the correct type like MDY. Here M stands for month, D stands for day, and Y stands for year. Click Finish. Excel will try to convert everything into a standard date format. But you'll notice some dates still weren't converted. That's because this method only works with standard formats. Any unusual or non-standard formats might not be recognized or converted. So here comes a smarter way, Kutools for Excel. After installing Kutools for Excel, select the range with inconsistent dates. Go to the Kutools tab. Select Content. Convert to Date. Kutools will instantly recognize and convert all kinds of date formats into your system's standard format. At the same time, a window will pop up. It clearly shows which cells were successfully converted and which weren't. You can even select a specific cell and click Recover to undo the change. This is where Kutools shines. No format limitation, works with standard and non-standard dates. Everything is clear in one window. Follow me for more quick and powerful Excel tips.